Hello, my name is Lucas Schulze, and in this tutorial I will show how to set up VS Code for ROS. So here in the VS Code I have opened the source file, the source folder from on a ROS workspace. Here we can see that I only have one package. This package has a custom message that I have created, and the talker and the listener in examples in Python and in C++. We can see that just by this way we don't have the autocomplete option in VS Code. For example, here in Python, if I just press hospy log warning, we don't see anything here. There's no uh, autocomplete option or no description of the function what it does. So in order to have those features in Python and in C++, and also for the CMake file uh, to help us to in the development process, we install three extensions in the VS Code. So the first one is for Python, the extension from Microsoft. We just need to install here. The second one is for C++. I will add the name of those extensions in the video description. And the last one is for CMake. So I just need to wait here to download and install. Uh, so everything looks fine. To make sure that all the extensions are working fine, we need to restart the VS Code. So just need to close and open again. Just need to wait a little bit. Oh, you can see here that these warnings because the C++ extension cannot find those libraries. So to solve this, we need to include those libraries in the extension path. So to do that, just need to press Ctrl Shift P and go to Edit Configurations, and we end up in this screen. Go here in C and C++ Properties, and here it is. So we only have this include path here. We need to add the path from the libraries of ROS. So I'm using the ROS noetic. So you just add here then opt ROS noetic devel in bar include. Oh, sorry, it's noetic on devel include, and also I will add in the path um, our ROS workspace. So the name of from my ROS workspace is basic ROS workspace var devel include. And also ROS is original made for the CPP standard in ROS is C++14. So you need to change here from GNU to C. And well, and that's it. We can see here that in Python the ROS.py, oops, I just press here log, Just need to wait a little bit. So that's it. Log warning, and if we want log the bug and all the everything from ROS here. It will also explain to you what it is that, the description of it. And here in the C++ folder, we can see that we have here, we can just add here, my message is inside the first tutorial, my message. So here first tutorial, my message, and I will just create here test message, and you can see that it's out completing here. Name test, just to you to see that's number 5, and that's it. That's everything that you need to do to to make VS Code, to set up VS Code for ROS.